right, 2023 Kia Sorento oil change. This is a 17 millimeter drain bolt. We're gonna pop that bugger free and get this thing out. Now let me raise my oil pan up to it. The oil pan is, the less splash in the face you get. You'll be doing this probably from the ground, but I gotta lift in that bugger. I'll hit you straight in the eyes every time. All right. And then we're gonna have the oil filter right here. Oil filter is 27 millimeter. Get that guy off. She's gonna be a little stiff. She'll start leaking here in a minute. There it is. Boom. And oil filter. Pull this little O-ring out. It's got a little tab on it. This comes right out of it. Get that out of there. The one we're going to want to oil down real well. Set that back in. No specific direction or anything. Just make sure that little tab's up so you can grab it the next time. Alright, and this guy goes right into it like so. And then we're going to go back over to the car and screw that bugger right back in, like so. Like that. 27 millimeter. And we're going to tighten her down. Alright, that's tight. Alright, and then put this drain plug back in. You know, it does, the package does come with a new copper washer if you want to put it in. And it comes with the a plug for, this is for a different setup. This is for that filter or something, but it's for a different setup. But the copper washer you can change if you want. We're not going to bother. I'll save it for one that was dripping, which won't matter because it'll come in a new one anyways. All right, 17 millimeter, nice and tight. Get everything wiped down, make sure it's clean. And it's 6.1 quarts of 0W20. You can do 6 quarts. It will not be a difference on your dipstick at all. Just to show you the difference, I'll stop it at 6. I'll put the oil and the filter in the description below. Just click the link. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Here, watch. So 8, 9. Okay, 6.4. We'll do just 0.14 just so you can see the difference. It's that. It's another squirt, right? So it won't even make a difference, right? I always take a drop of oil on positive and negative terminals. That keeps them from corroding. All right, guys, again, click the link in the description. Order your oil and filters through that. You'll get it for a lot cheaper. Pure synthetic. I'll put good oil on there for you. All right, peace.